All right, what's up, guys? I got a couple packages in the mail and I want to share them with you. I'm kind of excited about a couple of things that came in today. First, real quick, fast follow-up. I shot a video earlier today on this Shea Moisture Men Waves Pomade, which is kind of like all natural ingredients, sort of oil-based, but better oils, no petroleum products. And I have to say, I'm really impressed with this. I've had it in all day. It's holding really well. It's soft and touchable, but it still is staying in place well. It's not greasy. It's not sticky, gummy. This stuff is killer. So I'll probably do a follow-up video on it, but I just wanted to toss that out there. So let's get into this real quick. Got a delivery today from Walker and Williams Premium Leathers. I know it sounds good, right? They're like, what could this be? It's actually just kind of a simple thing that I needed for my guitar, my new acoustic, because it doesn't have a strap button on the, like by the headstock or anything. It has one you can mount, but I really don't want to, drill it. So, all right, so I got this thing. I don't think this is genuine leather. It's, smells good. It smells amazing, actually. It's got some tooling on it, very Western, and it's got this little rivet with like a strap button here. I thought this came off, but maybe it doesn't, because I'm not seeing a way that it does, unless I'm missing something. So it seems to be pretty secure. So what it does, by the way, there will be a video about this J45 in the near future. What this does is it mounts around the headstock like so, and kind of buttons into itself to start with. This is where I paused the video while I figure this out. I swear I thought this thing came off. So, let's kind of show you that there. And then you can slip your strap on and you can play. So I like that. Doesn't damage the finish. So I got this once again from Walker and Williams Leathers. They're on Etsy. They make a bunch of these different types of strap holders that go around your headstock in different designs and colors and things like that. They also make guitar straps and some other accessories, so check them out. I'll put a link in the description to their page. Anyway, thank you guys for checking in. Sorry about some of the fumbling around trying to get this thing to work. I was under the impression that it came apart, and it may, but I can't really see that it does. I think it's just kind of riveted in there, and it's designed to just button in. So, and it has some movement to it, so you can flex it around in order to do that. But yeah, it seems to be secure. So anyway, thanks for checking in. I've got another video coming right up with something else that I got in the mail today too. So check that out. See you later.